Okay, today is Friday, August 28th, and we're at the Fairfield Inn and Suites in Chincoteague Island, Virginia, and we've been here for the last 4 days using SoundGuard on the walls to try to eliminate some of their sound and noise problems. So we've been doing some testing for the last 24 hours, and the results have certainly exceeded everyone's expectations. So we're going to do a little test right here so everyone can kind of see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to blast some techno music. Volume on my computer is turned up to the max, and then we're going to go into the next room and let's see what we can hear. I hope you like techno. Okay, this is room 139. We're going to go over to 138 now. I'm just keeping the video rolling, so there's no tricks here. And you can see 139. So now we're going to go over to 138. 138. And let's go in here. I'm going to lock the door. Okay, let's go over to the connecting wall or joining wall. I'm going to stand about 2 feet away. Nothing. Absolutely no sound coming through. Dead silence. I think that's pretty impressive if you ask me. And now let's go back to 139 so you can, I'm not playing any tricks here. Let's pop the door open. Okay, coming out of 138. Now we're going back to 139. And as you can tell, music's still blasting. I'm impressed. I hope you are too.